Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to add and subtract decimals. Now as far as the addition or subtraction process, it's the same. How we set it up though is the only part we have to talk about. So the first thing we do is we're going to write the numbers in columns with the decimal points lined up. It just makes it easier to work it out that way. If necessary, we're going to write in zeros so that both numbers have the same number of decimal places. And then we're going to add or subtract as if they were whole numbers. And the last thing we do is we're going to line up the decimal point in the answer directly below the decimal points in the problem. So let's take a look at an example. Let's look at 16 and 92 hundredths, and we're going to add 48 and 34 hundredths. So I add this like I normally would. And we're done. Just bear in mind, the only thing you have to worry about is aligning the decimal point from your addends and your sum. Let's look at a couple more. Let's say I'm adding 7 and 3/10 and I want to add 85 hundredths. Now this is an example of where I've got more place values in this number than I do in this one. So as mentioned before, all you would need to do is just add in a 0. And then just add this like I normally would. And you're done. Now let's do a few subtractions. $28 and 93 hundredths, and we're going to subtract 15 and 82 hundredths. So I subtract this like I normally would, just like that. What if instead, for this next example, I'm going to do this? Let's change it up a little bit and put in a few more. We're going to subtract. Now I'm going to add zeros as placeholders here. It's not going to affect the final answer though, in the end. Got to do some borrowing here. And that should do it. Okay. All right, so the only hard part about this one was just all that borrowing that I had to do, but the process for the subtraction is still the same. Aligning the decimal points and then subtract each column. Just bear in mind that writing zeros to the right of the decimal does not change the value of the number. Just keep that in mind, and you're good to go here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.